Hey everybody, how are y'all doing? Today is just going to be a little nature walk, and I might try to do some fishing. I'm at the Prairie Center Park, and never been here before on this side, so we're just going to be doing a little walk. And I might try some fishing. I brought one of my rods because I heard there might be a little lake or a pond out here somewhere. I'm not sure where, but I'm hoping to find one. And we might do some fishing in this video, or if I do some fishing, I might make that just a separate video. Who knows? But hey, let's get going, all right? Let's have some fun. Got some old rock fence, rock wall there. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, and it is windy today. We're gonna go down this path here. Just see if there's anything. See what's down this way. It's a pretty beautiful sunny day, if you can't tell already. And the temperature is about 40 degrees. So not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right. Coming up to my first obstacle for the day. Look out for that water. Just standing right here. Look at that. Just go over here. I don't think I can get onto that, but I don't know. Well, it shows I can, I guess, like a lookout deck. But the gate's closed on it, so I don't think I'm allowed to get on it. I can read a sign now. It says the elevated stand is for special programs only, no public access. Oh, glad I didn't waste my time to get over there, to walk over there. Pretty cool. Let's keep going. There's a pond, something right over there. Gotta watch where I'm going walking down these rocks. Be very careful. Going down a slight little incline here. Hey, I see a duck over there. One duck. Can y'all see the duck in the water? With the GoPro, it's kind of hard to... Can't zoom in. And what I do, and what I film my videos with is a GoPro Hero 2018. Oh, here's another pond right here, guys. I might try a cast a little bit. Here, check this out. Maybe I can try to cast something in there. Yeah, we'll try to cast a little bit, see what happens. Be right back. Nothing there. Let's keep going. Now we're going to be going up this little hill here. See, there's turtles in there. It is such a beautiful day though for this. I love it. Summertime. Oh, I mean not summer. Springtime. I don't know if there's any other fishing spots, but we're gonna check it out. Ooh, I see it. I see another pond to try to fish. Let's see. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing all right. It's a beautiful day.
I know it.
So yes, there is a fishing hole here, which I'll show you here in a second. Guess there's some walking paths back out over that way. Come back around over in here, go all that way, but I just wanted to. Sorry for the audio, guys. It's windy as heck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is nice. Yeah, y'all check this out. I'm actually going to put you on the chest mount real quick and we might do a little fishing. See how it goes. Let's do it. I still think it's too early, everyone. I still think it's too early. Oh, I got something. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at this little guy. Oh man, I got him good. Look at that. Look at that. That is a fish, guys. Wow. That's a little guy. A fish is a fish. Look at this little guy. Hello, hello everybody. Say hello to YouTube. Wow, guys. Awesome. I came out here and caught a fish. So let's go ahead and get him back in the water. Nice little guy. Nice little guy. He is purty. All right, let's put him back. We'll do the release. Ready? All right. Sweet. Well, guys, I'm taking a little break. I actually did a little bit of fishing, which I might end up just making that a fishing video. I might throw it in this little nature video. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna take a break, a little thirsty, and guess what? I'm not sponsored by this, but I do like my blue diamond almonds. Look at this. Blueberry. That'll be a nice little snack to have while I'm out and about. Pretty good, pretty good. Check them out. You know, I tried the coconut in another video, a previous video. So today I'm gonna try out these blueberries. Check them out, guys. Oh, I better hold on a second. Put my trash in here, my little baggie. Ooh, it smells so good too. Oh yeah, check them out. Look at that. You see that? Oh yeah. Mmm. Very good, guys. They're the blueberry oven roasted almonds. Pretty good. Pretty good. Gotta have my water. But yeah, I just got done fishing for a little bit here at this little lake. It's pretty awesome. And I caught me a little bass. I've been out here for a little while trying to catch fish, and I was about to give up, but I was like, I'm gonna keep going. So I went back over on that side behind you, and boom, caught a little bass. I was excited. So then I was like, oh man, one was biting, so another one must bite. Nah, I didn't catch anything else except for that one fish. But yeah, I don't know how long this video, this little nature video, because I still have more to go, walks and paths and stuff. I mean, there's a lot actually at this place, so I probably won't get everything. So I might do another video, another nature walk video, and just pick up where I left off. Go try different other places and everything. So I hope y'all enjoying this video so far. But yeah, I'm just taking a little quick break and everything, and wanted to just chit chat with you for a little bit. So I don't want to keep y'all bored too long, so I'm not gonna do that much of a talking right here, and we'll get back on the trail and I can show y'all some more stuff. So let's go. Look at this old rock wall. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. So we're just gonna go this way. I'm wondering if there's a pond over here somewhere. Might try to jump on. I don't know if I can get to it. But yeah, check out that rock wall. It's been there a long time. Been there a long time. I wonder if I can go over there. I'm not sure. It's kind of off the path. We are back on this one trail. Not sure if I wanted to really go this way. There's all kinds of trails. I don't know which way to go, really. I kind of get overwhelmed. I'm like, oh, I want to go that way, but maybe another time. I just want to see where this goes. So we're exploring today. Uh-oh, going down a hill. That means I'm gonna have to go up a hill sometime. All right, we're going down. Hope the audio, or I hope the video is okay. I hope it's not moving too much for you guys. Hold on. I hear a creek or something on down somewhere. I hear it in the distance. We're gonna check that out for sure, guys. We might actually end up just walking up this hill, going back the other way. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I hear running water. I hear something. Yep, sounds like something's back over there. Let's go check it out. I'll see you when we get there. All right, guys, I see water. It's coming over the rock, the path. It's a moving. It's a little shallow. I should have brought some crappie jigs, my lighter poles, with me. So that creek's coming all the way through here. Down over this. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm not going to be crossing this today, so we are going to go back the other way and probably just go down a different path. But hey, I knew I was right. I heard something. There's a creek right here. Pretty cool. I like it. So I'll see y'all in a little while at another spot on the trail somewhere. See you then. Well, I just wanted to do a little video here. I didn't go to all the paths and all the trails. I know I want to park on the other side of the nature park and go in from a different direction and make another video on that. But yeah, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun getting out, walking around, getting a little exercise, and I did a little fishing. I might throw a fish in the video, but I'm also just gonna make a fishing video, so stick around for that one sometime in the next couple of weekends, I think. So I want to say thanks for watching Backroad Freedom. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Ring that bell for notifications so you get notified for any other videos that I do post. So thanks for watching, and as always, love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.